Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to buy shares of Airbnb. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer, and after opening the browser just simply search for buy Airbnb stock. After searching for that, you will get to see this buy Airbnb option into here. Otherwise, you can also use the trading platform that you use to buy Airbnb stock. Now just simply open this link, and after opening the link you will get to see this type of interface into here. Now you'll get to see the current stock price for Airbnb into this pad and all the increasing and decreasing into that price. Now after coming into this page, you just simply have to sign in or sign up, and then you will get the option to buy the stocks of Airbnb. This way you can easily buy Airbnb from any financing platform that you use into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.